In this video, I'll show you how to edit app code in Base44. First, make sure you are logged into your Base44 account. Once you're on the main interface, look at the top navigation bar and click on Dashboard. This is where you can see all your projects and apps. Once you're on the dashboard, find the app you want to edit and select it. If you have more than one app, take a moment to make sure you are opening the correct one before making any changes. Now look at the top left of the screen. Right next to the dashboard option, you'll see a code option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Base44 gives you access to all the underlying files that power your app. Give it a second to load, especially if your project is large. Once the code editor opens, you'll see your app files listed on the left side and the main editing area in the center. Click on any file from the list to open it in the editor. Before you start making changes, take a moment to read through the existing code so you understand what each part does. Then make your changes carefully and save regularly. Base44 may autosave as you go, but it is always good practice to manually save after each change. Once you've made your edits, use the preview or run option if it is available to test your changes and make sure everything is working correctly. That is how you do it.